Hey guys, this is Dr. Anna. I am here to help you to do your artistic geologic time. The purpose of this lab is to begin to visualize the immensity of geologic time on Earth and also to make sure that you do know the time scale. Of course, the one we work with here down is a simplified version. Now, to accomplish this goal, you will have to construct a scale model using the 10 time scale as a guide. As I said, it's very simplified and you need to know a bit more complex version. You can be really artistic. So that just means you can put drawings and pictures, especially if you are an art student. So here are the directions. You have to cut 3 meter, which is 300 centimeter. That is equal with 118.11 inches if you can easier measure in inches. This has to be a long piece of adding machine tape. You can use any kind of paper and then just glue them together to make it 3 meter. Now, this tape will represent 4.6 billion years of geologic time. Oh, I wanted to tell you that 1 inch, to make it easier in the centimeter world, 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter, and that's equal 25.4 millimeter. Because I did make a low help right here, so this explains exactly how to do it, okay? And it calculates into millimeters, so that's why, because they calculated that 1 centimeter is equal 15.33 million years. So it actually really explains that how to find the event position, and here is the formula for it. So it's very, very simple, and there is also an example here. You can do it accordingly. All you have to put on from the known age is the beginning of the tertiary right here, the beginning of the Cambrian, the 540 million years, and then the 4.6 billion. 4.6 billion is equal 4,600 million. Okay. Now, other than these three, you have to mark the following events. It's right here. The age of meteorites basically is at the beginning of your 3 meter, because that equal 4.6 billion years. Okay. First row, karyotic cells, and then so on, all the way to the first hominoids, which happened 6,500,000 years ago. And then on this paper with a different color, remember that every internet exercise, the answer has to be in a different color. So you have to answer these questions also. And at the end, I want you to make a movie of your time scale. And I'm going to show you an example just in a minute, okay? So hopefully this will help you. You won't have any problem. But if you do, just text me or email me and ask me a question.
So I want to show you one example of the artistic time scale. This person just glued together normal regular papers. You can see he just put it together right here. So you can do it that way too. Calculated the ratio of those dates, which you have to, and then just put some nice little pictures over there. So this is the 3 meter long paper, and here are the dates you have to put on. So you see it's really simple.